Take a ride in the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.